Hello students, welcome back again in the new e-learning video. Today in this video I am going to talk about the topic which is included in the writing skill section. Yes, it's interview questions. Let's learn today what interview questions means, the weightage given to this question by State Board, things to remember while framing interview questions and examples based on it. An interview is a kind of presentation. There are different kinds of interviews. In a job interview, the person who is interviewed, that is, the interviewee or the candidate, is asked questions by person interviewing, that is, interviewers. There is another kind of interview where a reporter puts questions to the person interviewed in order to get information or the person's views on something. An interview is a one-to-one interaction between a host and a famous personality. An interview is conducted in order to know about famous personalities' life, experiences, and thoughts. Interviews help masses to connect with people who are doing a distinct and commendable job. Hence, interviews bridge the gap between celebrities and common people. Do we have any definition of the term interview questions? Yes, not one but many. In Oxford Dictionary, the term is described as follows: meeting of a person face to face, specially for a purpose of consultation, or oral examination of candidates for employment or admission, etc., or meeting or conversation between a journalist and a person whose views are sought for publication, or similar meeting as a part of radio or TV program, or interview questions means question answer session, for example, Prime Minister answering press. Now, let's see the marking scheme of this question given by the board. The question is basically asked for 4 marks. Here we have 3 subpoints. Questions relevant to the situation for 2 marks. Proper sequence of questions for 1 mark, and language, style and grammar for 1 mark. So this is the marking scheme described by the State Board. There are 3 kinds of questions which may be asked during interviews. Let's find out these types of questions. First one is open-ended questions. Most of the time, open-ended questions are started with how and why. These are the questions which can never be answered with one word like yes or no. Here, the interviewee is expected to give a detailed answer. Second type, closed questions. or we can call it as yes no type questions. When you wish to limit your interviewer's range of response, you should ask close questions. For example, do you believe that the university need to be computer literate? And third type of question is hypothetical question. These questions are imaginary ones. For example, if you were sure that you would get caught and you needed high score on a final exam to earn a passing grade, would you cheat? So, these are the types of three questions which may be asked during interviews. Now, let's see which are the essential things that one must remember while preparing interview questions. First, give a short introduction to the situation for which the interview is being conducted. Second, begin with a cordial welcome. Third one, use simple and acceptable language while preparing or framing interview questions. Fourth one, the initial few questions should be about past events and in past tense. The middle questions should be about present events, so they must be in present tense. The ending questions should be about future plans, action, or message for audience or people or generation. Fifth guideline is the questions must be based on the given points or hints. Sixth point, the sequence of the questions should be chronological with the life events and proper tense. Seventh point, the questions asked should cover various aspects of the work or issue or activity that one wish to gain information about. Eighth point, some questions should be assisted with statements to make it more convincing. Ninth one, use a question mark at the end of each question. Next, use a variety of question words like who, what, when, how, why, where, which, whom, etc. to frame your answers and questions. Next, questions should be relevant to the topic. Next point, avoid asking questions that elicit merely a yes or no in reply. The questions should seek more information. Next, grammar structure must be given priority. And next one is prepare short and polite questions. Be clear and concise. Next one, in the examination, you have to frame only 10 questions. No answer by the person interviewed are required. And next one is have a thanksgiving conclusion. So, these are the guidelines which one must remember while preparing interview questions. Now, we are going to see examples based on interview questions so that you will understand this concept thoroughly. Here are two examples of framing interview questions. Let's study first one. In exam, question will be provided to students like this. Imagine that you are college representative of your college. You have to take an interview of spokesperson of state government. Frame questions to take the interview. You may take the help of following points: current situation, arrangements, preventing measures, etc. You may begin your answer like this. Write down the title as interview questions, then the subtitle as an audience with a spokesperson of state government. Good morning, sir. I welcome you. Thank you so much for sharing your precious time for the interview. I want to ask you some questions regarding the pandemic COVID 19. Give numbers to the question one after another and don't forget to make a question mark after every question. Can you briefly explain what this novel coronavirus is? Next, what are the common symptoms of coronavirus and why is it spreading so quickly? Next question, how social distancing will help to overcome this pandemic? Next question, what arrangements have been made to support the poor and the downtrodden in our state? Fifth question, what special medical facilities are arranged to curb down the virus? Next question, what difficulties the administration facing to handle the situation? Next question, how are the people responding to the situation? Next question, how would be the loss of education compensated in coming days? Next question, what preventive measures would be taken in this period of crisis? Next question, what message do you want to give to the citizens of our state regarding this situation? Thank you so much for sharing your views and giving valuable official instructions through this interview. We will accept your advice and assure you to join your hands. So, in this way, we have seen the first example based on the interview questions. Let's study one more. Imagine that you are going to interview a sarpanch of a village who has been selected for Adarsh Gaon Award. Frame a set of 8 to 10 questions to interview him or her. You may start your answer like this. An audience with Sarpanch. Namaste Ashatai. Welcome and heartiest congratulations being selected for Adarsh Gaon Award. Here are few questions to you about your journey towards these achievements. First question, how do you feel as being selected for this award? Next question, were you sure you get this award in the beginning? Next question, please share with us something about your planning and efforts to achieve this award. Next question, what challenges did come across at the initial stage? Next question, how about getting the support of your villagers in implementing various schemes and projects? Next question, we have heard that you all had taken collective efforts without government funding. Why is it so? Next question. As a leader, which initiatives and drives do you think were responsible for cultivating good habits among the villagers? Next question. Whom do you consider as a catalyst for the change? Next question. Achieving the award may be bit easy for you, but what about maintaining it in future times? Next question. What is your future aspiration? And give a few suggestions for the betterment of other villagers. Here, I am sure that your village and you are really praiseworthy for this award. Thank you and best of luck for the award felicitation function. Thus, today we learned how to frame interview questions. In my earlier videos, we also have studied other writing skill questions like drafting a speech, expansion of ideas, and developing a counter view. We will meet in the next educational video. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Thank you.